hospitality. And then I see in the other part, because both being a 90% agri-independent country, and the mostly the population, the 40% of the GDP comes from agriculture. So agro-processing is a key factor. So young dynamic population, agro-processing advantage, and the Lake Tanganyika exports, and East African community get together along with Democratic Republic of Congo, this will really have a bright future. I can really
Visit Burundi and be transported by the hospitality, wellness, and amazing culture. Kaze Iwachu. Invest in Burundi.
Difficile que quelqu'un y vienne ici et qui vive ici et se sente un étranger. Hein? Et ça, c'est une grande importance pour un visiteur.
The government of Burundi has set priority economic sectors from
particularly East African community is extending to DRC. That will help the business to grow in